is Abby. I'm currently completing a Bachelor of Arts at the University of Newcastle in Australia. In my program, I'm completing a double major in English and Writing and Screen Culture. I have also completed a previous degree in Communications at the University of New England, which is also based in Australia. So I recently completed my internship at HOLR Magazine, which is based in Canada. I was an intern journalist to cover topics such as music, film, celebrity gossip, and anything kind of cultural related. I was interested in doing the virtual internship program specifically because I wanted to be able it to be flexible with me, with my university work, or me finding work, or just basically my life in general. So yeah, and I've been looking for an internship itself for a long time because I have been struggling to find work in the field of just my university qualifications, which is very frustrating. But hopefully that'll change now that I have worked in the field and have the experience and know the ins and outs of working as a journalist, like at an actual magazine. As an intern journalist at HOLR Magazine, my main responsibility was to create articles that they could post on the website. So what that would entail would be me picking a selection of topics I've seen online, in the news, anything that relates to pop culture, and just send them to my editor in the WhatsApp group. She would pick whatever one she think would get them as views or would just like get them as readers, and I would just write about those. The main thing I enjoyed the most about my internship is because I've always loved writing. That was a big plus for me, being able to just do that for work. But also, I enjoyed the topics I covered. So my aim is to probably get into like cultural, film, that type of journalism, so like cultural journalism. And this was a good start because HOLR Magazine covers those topics. Maybe not necessarily in depth, but it's a good start. So in terms of professional growth, that's very obvious, honestly. Obviously, I was able to build a huge body of work of articles, which I did not have before. I'm very appreciative because I've got the opportunity to like put my work out into the world, have a huge portfolio out there for like future employees and whatnot. Also get me more connections. Obviously, I have a little audience over in Canada, which is really cool to hear about because we're very isolated here in Australia. So in terms of personal growth, I believe I've grown more confident in my skills as a journalist. So before this, I was very much struggling to find work in the field. Even if I was applying for like other internships, they would always tell me that I didn't have the experience I was looking for and that I just wasn't suited for the role. The Intern Group and like my work at HOLR Magazine showed me that that's not exactly the case. Like I was actually not expecting to get into the program for that reason, but they did. They recognized my skills and like my work ethic, and they accepted me based on that, which I am very grateful for. I feel like I was just waiting for someone to give me a chance. I was so happy when they finally did. I would 100% recommend the Intern Group. They're an amazing opportunity to grow your career, make connections, meet new people, grow personally as well as professionally. And also the staff is like super lovely. Every time I like talk to a staff member, they just seem super nice and understanding of everything. Like if I were to do things differently, I think I would go for the in-person program just because I feel like actually traveling and doing that would be an amazing opportunity. I chose the virtual programs that will be very convenient in everything else going on in my life, but yeah, I would do think that would have been like a more amazing opportunity. So what I'm about to say next may sound really cheesy, but a piece of advice I'd give to someone who wants to apply for the program, get into the program, is just be confident in yourself in what you've achieved so far, your qualifications and your skill set. As I mentioned before, I was not expecting to go into this program for reasons I've already mentioned, but they're obviously a very nice group of people. They want to give people who have the skill set, motivation, opportunities to actually grow professionally and grow personally as well. So if you feel like you fit into that mold, you're bound to get it. You're bound to be a good fit.